Yo, what's up guys, Antonio here. Now today I have a video for you guys explaining how to set custom iOS 14 and 13 app icons without it annoyingly launching into the Shortcuts app first. If you're like me, since iOS 14 launched almost 2 weeks ago, you've seen nothing short on TikTok and Twitter of custom iOS 14 home screen layouts. Now these are really cool because it allows you to actually set a custom icon to the apps if you're choosing. This allows you to have an aesthetic layout. The only problem with this is, in reality, if you go and launch the app, you'll see that it launches into the Shortcuts app first and then the desired app you've set the shortcut as. Today, I'm going to fix this for you. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you find the Shortcuts app. Once you found the Shortcuts app, you want to allow untrusted shortcuts and you're going to click Allow. For this source, you're going to have to enter your passcode because you are going to be editing things in your phone. Once the passcode's hit, click Done and you're good to go. And now we're going to move on to step 2. Now you're going to follow the link that I provided in the description, which is a custom themer that you're going to install to your shortcuts. So click the link and follow that. From there you're going to have to add the shortcut into your Shortcuts app, so scroll down to the very bottom and add the untrusted shortcut. You're going to have to hit Done and select the region, which should automatically be selected for you. Once you're done, it's added to Shortcuts, and that's step 2. Step 3 is now actually running the shortcut. So for the first time you're going to have to set up the icon themer and click OK. Next, you're going to have to update if the update is required for the icon themer. In my case, it was, so click Update. Next up is creating the icon for the actual app you want to choose. So I'm going to do Search in App Store, and then you want to search for the actual app you want to make as your custom icon. So I'm going to do Instagram for this example. Click Instagram from the top. Once you've selected that, you're going to come down. You're going to have to click Choose from Photos to set the custom app icon. Scroll down in your photos and select a photo. I'm going to select a dark mode Instagram logo that I'm going to use as my app icon. Once you've tapped that, you're going to have another drop-down menu that's going to ask you to what you'd like to name it. I'm going to name it Instagram, and so should you. Then you're going to click Done on the URL scheme. Then it's going to take you into the Safari, and you're going to click Allow, and you're going to click Close. Now that you've done that, head over to Settings and hit General. Once in General, go down until you find Profiles, and once in Profiles, you want to click the Unidentified Install Profiles. Then you want to tap the Instagram one and install this profile. Click Done, and now it's going to prompt you to enter your password, which you'll have to do in order for this change to take place. Enter your password and hit Done. Once it's done, click Install, and it's going to warn you that the profile is not signed, but keep in mind that this is okay and you'll have to click Install anyways. Once you click Install, it'll prompt you to click Done, and once you've clicked Done, this profile is now installed for the custom app icon. Let's test it out. Boom. Instagram has now launched with your custom app icon directly into Instagram, bypassing the Shortcuts app screen. As you could tell by the start of this video, I've always been a stock iOS wallpaper and layout kind of guy. So with iOS 14 opening everything up, I think I'm going to start off by changing my wallpaper. I have this nice water black and white picture I found as both my lock screen and my home screen to start getting my iOS 14 custom home screen up to par. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and take a look at all the custom app icons I've made that I'd like to put on my home screen. As you can see, there's 12 icons that I'd like to put on my home screen, so let's go ahead and edit that, and I'm going to just use one page as my home screen. So let's uncheck all of the unwanted pages of apps and hit Done, and now we're left with just one single page. It's extremely clean, and these are all the app icons, custom app icons I have made for my home screen. Lastly, no iOS 14 home screen video would be complete without adding some widgets, so let's tap the bottom to click Edit and add some widgets. The first widget we're going to add is a calendar widget, and my calendar choice is Fantastical. So let's scroll down until we hit Fantastical, and let's add that and click the widget I like. I think I like that one. Next up, let's add my sports team icon. So my favorite sports team is Juventus, which is a football or soccer team, so I'm going to add that widget so I can see when they play. Lastly, I'm going to add a photo widget because it seems like what everyone's doing, so let's add a photo widget, and my photo of choice will be Juice WRLD, which is my favorite artist at the time. So let's rearrange these widgets where I'd like them, let's say every 2, so we can have a widget on each level of the screen, and then let's rearrange some of these app icons to where I like them. So I like grouping everything together, so let's group my social medias together, my sports together, and my kind of system preferences at the top, and boom, this is kind of what I have rocking as my setup right now. Now that we have my setup all done, let's go ahead and try launching all these custom app icons to see how they launch directly into the app I've allocated them to. As you can see, every single third-party app on my phone launches directly into the app, bypassing the Shortcuts app interface. Every single app launches directly into it. YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, everything. Let's even take a look at my security cameras in my home, launches straight into it. My Outlook email for school launches into it. DAZN streaming service, which is like Netflix for sports here in Canada, launches into it. Even my ESPN fantasy games launches directly into it. You can see Spotify also works with this, and if you also want to hit into OneFootball, which is an app of sports for my choice, also launches directly into it. This is a good transition point because unfortunately at the time of recording this video, Apple does not allow you to do this workaround with first-party native apps. So if you want to try launching messages, unfortunately, as you can see, it still has to launch into the Siri Shortcuts application. The same thing can be said for the phone app, which I have at the top as well. It has to launch into the Shortcuts app, and then it actually launches into the phone app. So unfortunately, at the time of this recording, only third-party apps support this workaround. And there you have it. That's how to get rid of the annoying Siri Shortcuts app launching with custom iOS 14 and 13 app icons. I hope you enjoyed this video and also my setup at the end. Until next time, take care.